Good morning, YouTube. How y'all doing today? Guys, today we made it out to the Gila wilderness, trying to get ourselves on a Gila trout and finish out this trout challenge. So I hope y'all enjoy. I'll see y'all in the water. Well, oh man. I got something, boys. That's a bass. Yeah. Just caught a largemouth bass, boys. Up here on the Gila. Just caught me a largemouth bass, boys. Look at that guy. Beautiful little fish. Definitely got some scars on him. He got attacked by something. Nice little fish. Heck yeah. Out of the Gila. Huh? I felt like I had something too. Yeah, I pulled back. I didn't know. It felt like it got stuck on something, but... There it is. Nice. There it is, boys. Trout? No. Bass. That a brown? Is that a brownie? Smallmouth? Huh? Smallmouth bass?
Oh, smallmouth.
That's what it looks like. Chill out, dude. No, that's a largie. Nice little largemouth bass, guys. There it is. Oh, there's another one right there. He went after it again. Keeps flashing on it. There it is, boys. Oh, no! There it is. Oh, that's a good one. No! 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 That was a good sized fucking fish.
Yeah, that was a good size.
There it is. Oh, we can get him to come. He's coming, guys. He's hungry. He wants this shit. We got to get him. There it is. There it is, boys. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. It's a bass. Shoot! I don't have anything with me. Oh, smallmouth, guys. Alright, guys, this is another nice bass. Came up to catch trout on the West Fork in the Gila. Catching bass. You doing all right over there? There's another one in there, guys. He went after it. I watched the flash. There it is. There it is, guys. Oh, shit. Come on, net. Oh. Damn, that's the same one. That looks like yeah, that's the exact same one. We just caught the same fish twice, guys. He's got a little thing right here on his nose. And I noticed this on his belly. Beautiful, beautiful fish, guys. Oh, he just chased it as I brought it out of the water, too. There it is, boys. Woohoo! Another largemouth. I think they're... Ah, he just spined me. These look like smallmouth to me. Oh, no. Come on, dude. Come, dude. Yeah, these are smallmouth. He's brown. Sure it was a fish? Nope, it's a fish. Creek chub. A creek chub, boys.